Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. In today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up a box sent from a subscriber all the way from Oklahoma. He sent some very good knives, just you wait and see. One is still in the package from 1972. So be on the lookout for that. And I also open up and show my new EDC Buck that I just bought. I don't know how long I'm going to carry it, but we're going to give it a try. It's a very nice knife. It's got SV30 steel in it. It's got that micarta canvas handles. So it's a nice knife. And I'm also going to be showing you a knife I'm going to be giving away next month. Yes, that's right. We're going to be giving more knives away next month, including a Baofeng radio that you're going to have to be present to win. That's right. A few of the gifts that I'm giving away next month, you're going to be present to win. We're going to be picking numbers. So it's going to be fun. I'm going to be giving some stuff away from random comments as usual, but I'm also going to be giving stuff away using numbers. You just got to pick a number. Okay? I'm going to write the number down, put it under my hat, and then when it's time to draw it, I'm going to take it out from my hat and show you the number, and whoever is closest will win. Whoever hits it on the spot, if 2 or 3 hits it on the spot, we're going to have a runoff for it. So it might take a little while, but it's going to be fun. But anyway, guys, the auction for Tunnels to Towers on Whatnot last night was a huge success. I just want to thank everybody that participated, everybody that bid it, everybody that bought knives. Just thank y'all so much. I don't know the total yet. I've got to do the shipping, and Whatnot's got to take out their fees. But I think total sales was over $700. So hopefully I'll be able to send them at least 500 to 600 after, you know, the fees and shipping. So that's very nice of y'all. And there's some good knives on there. One knife, such as a case folding hunter, went well over $200. It was a bid war. It was fun to watch. So, but it was just exciting, and it was really fast. So I can't wait to do the next one. So it's gonna be fun. It really is. I don't know when it's gonna be. It might be toward the end of March. It might be the 1st of April. I'm gonna try to round up some good knives. So yeah. But anyway, guys, thank y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. We're going to be opening up this package from Oklahoma, guys, and these 2 orders that I have from Buck Knives. We're going to be looking at these knives here. So I just want to thank y'all again for tuning in. So let's get right to it. We're going to open up these last. Some good knives. But we're going to open up this here all the way from Oklahoma from Mr. Brighton Blair. Appreciate it so much, man. See, we got a Buck knife sheath. That's very nice. Oh my God. Look at that, y'all. Let's see, Mr. Brighton says, Kevin, a few knives from one veteran to another, U.S. Navy, 92-97. Well, thank you for your service, Brighton. I appreciate that, buddy. Appreciate it again for you sending me these knives, buddy, and I certainly appreciate your service to this great nation of ours. Some camp knives for cleanup or parts, a few other little knives. Single blade fish knife for you, since you like them, and it's like the one you gave your son. Well, that's awesome, buddy. 1972 Knox fish knife and Parker Frost knife for your auctions or collection, maybe. Brighton, buddy, thank you so much. See, I love that Buck sheath right there. Let's see what we can do. Oh man, look at here. This is a Parker Frost. Look at that, boy. My goodness, that's a beautiful knife. It's a Mustang. How about that? Made in USA. That's a pretty knife. Probably a 1978, I would presume. That's a beautiful knife, Brighton. Thank you so much, man. Jam up. Appreciate it, buddy. This will be in an auction coming soon. Appreciate that. Oh my God, y'all. Look at this thing. It's an ulster. Needs to be cleaned up. Old. Very nice. It's an ulster. Very nice knife. This looks like a maybe a Camillus or a Camco. It is a Camco. Look at there. Camillus made Camco knives. Kind of looks like an ulster too, but it don't have the shield. Yeah, this looks like the yeah, it's gonna need some work here. Look at this one. That's bone handle right there, man. Beautiful knife. Forged in USA. That's awesome. It's an old one too. Very old knife. Check out this old can opener. Ain't that cool? Very cool. I love camping knives, man. This is a Kent, New York City. I like them handles. That's funky right there, ain't it? This knife just needs to be cleaned up a little. Very nice knife. That's an old knife too. Check this one out. Let's see what this one is. Imperial USA. That crown. Yeah, this knife is... Sorry for the interruption, guys, but my phone died. But check this out. Ain't it a beauty? It just says USA on that. I've never seen one of these before. Fish knife. It's sharp too. Man, it's sharp. Check that out. Descaler, bottle opener. Yes, sir. I love this here. Thank you, man. Brighton. Appreciate this, buddy. And look at here, y'all. He says it's the 1970s. That's a fish knife, colonial, master brand, made in America by American craftsmen. Man, look at that. Ain't that awesome? That is so cool. Brand new. Still in the box. Awesome. Thank you, Brighton. I think it'll come out. Let's take a look at it. It's got a brown handle. Guys, this has never been used. I don't know what's up with that right there. I think it just needs to be cleaned. But, check that out. Very cool. Never seen a new one, guys. He said this is a 1970 model. Still got the factory grease on it. See that? Oil, I mean. See that right there? Still got the factory oil on there. Ain't that so cool? Awesome, awesome, awesome. And we got this knife here. This is a Cutmaster. How about that? Never seen a Cutmaster camp knife. I don't believe. Brighton, you showed me some stuff I ain't never seen before, buddy. That's awesome, man. Nice can opener. This is a beautiful knife here, guys. Nice little pin blade. And you got the main blade. That's it. No, you got the one blade's broken right there. That's the punch blade that was broken. No, that's the punch blade. Wonder what that was. You got the punch blade, and that don't even look like a corkscrew, but it might be. It's like more like a drill, don't it? Yeah, this is a drill here, guys. That ain't no corkscrew. Ain't that cool? But I don't know what kind of blade that was right there. Could have been the, oh, I do. It's a bottle opener with a flat tip screwdriver. That's what it was. Yeah. Very cool, man. These are some awesome knives, man. Here's two more. Old Imperial. Imperial England. Wow. I didn't even know Imperial was made in England. This is freaking awesome, man. I did not know that. Did anybody know that Imperial was made in England? I be dog. That's another thing I didn't know. Brighton. Ooh, look at that fish knife here. Man. It's probably another USA one. Yep, USA. How about that? This knife's in great shape, man. Very cool, Brighton. Thank you so much for these knives, man. Some of them will be going to auction. Sure will. Next time we do it. Again, Britt, thank you for this, man. This is a historic right here. Original paperwork, and you see it's got the date 1972 Colonial Knife Company, Providence, Rhode Island. Made in America by American craftsmen. You just don't see that no more, guys. It's a beautiful knife. It really is. Wish it had the price right here. I wish I was able to see how much it cost in 1972. I was 2 years old when this was made. This is 52 years old. This knife is right now. Pretty cool. Sport topper fish knife. It's got the cutting blade and fish scaler, hook remover, carrying shackle, probably what they meant to say right here. No, it ain't sheath. That's pretty cool. Awesome, man. Thank you for this so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just notice something too, guys. There's a paperwork in here too, or the wax paper. See, it's got the date on it too. I think it's 1978. I think this is just a wax paper to roll it up in. Now, that's pretty cool. Britt, thank you so much, buddy, for this stuff. I'll roll it up. This one will be in the next auction for Tunnels of Towers. Right, and sent those knives all the way from Chandler, Oklahoma. 874 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Brighton, appreciate those knives and sheath, buddy. Thank you, man. Appreciate you supporting the channel. You know, it's kind of funny that I got this in the mail today, because I also got something else in the mail today. I got two knives from Buck. One of these knives I'm giving away next month. This knife I've got to send off to someone, but this is y'all don't know what this is. It's another Slim Ranger, Buck USA, right there. Very nice knife. But this one here, guys, I'm giving away next month at our giveaway, our monthly giveaway. It's a fixed blade knife, and they call it a Maverick, made in the USA. How about that? Ain't that a pretty knife? It's sharp as a razor. Golly, it's sharp. Ain't that a beautiful knife, guys? It's a 877 Buck USA. Very nice. Very nice. I like this. Anyway, guys, this is going to be one of the items I'm giving away next month. Sometime in March. I've got quite a few knives to give away now. But it's a very nice knife. Very nice knife. And this one here, guys, is my knife I wanted to try. This here is a Buck 110 Pro. Look at that bad boy. Micarta canvas handles. S30 V steel. And it is sharp. See that? 110. Buck USA. S30 V steel. Look at that. Ain't that a beauty of a knife? But you know, I like this and all. It's got good spring snap too, see that? But look at the handle. I had to get me one just to see what it's all about. I love that canvas micarta. It's a beautiful knife, guys, beautiful. But again, guys, you can go and apply for the Buck Pro program, and you'll get a reduced rate if you're a first responder, veteran, active duty military. You get 10 to 20% off each knife, and that's what I did with this one. Very nice. I like it, guys. The Buck 110 Slim Pro. It's a step up from the Buck 110 Slim with the nylon handles. I just wanted to get one with canvas micarta. Beautiful, ain't it? I'll be carrying this for a while. It's kind of funny though, I got this in the mail and I think this is a Buck 110 sheath. How about that? That fits like a glove. Does it have Buck 110 on it? No, it don't. But I'm telling you, it fits good. I could wear it just like this and carry both my two Spitfires. Ain't that awesome, guys? But it does have a reversible clip on it, so you could change it to left or right, and it's got the thumb studs that you can open it with the left hand or right hand. Very cool. But yeah, I think I'm gonna carry it in this sheath here that you sent me, Brighton. Awesome, ain't it? Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was fun. I appreciate Mr. Brighton sending me all those great knives. And what about that 1972 fishing knife, guys? It's awesome. Very awesome. Never seen one in the package before. It's very cool to see that. It really is. And I just want to thank him for that Mustang, too. That Mustang, that will be going in the next Tunnels of Towers auction. Appreciate it, Mr. Brighton. That's a very well-made knife, American-made knife. And also, I just want to thank all y'all for tuning in today. And again, I just want to thank everybody for participating in the Whatnot auction. It was a huge success. Can't wait to do that again. I'll be going to flea markets again and pawn shops and getting some subscriber knives that they sent me up. And we'll be doing another auction probably toward the end of March, 1st of April sometime. But we are going to be doing that giveaway now sometime in March. I'll be announcing it in the video. I think it's worked real well that I don't announce it to the world like in the title of my video, because all that does is attract the scammers and bad folks. So we don't want that. So I'm going to be announcing it in a video that you're going to comment on, and then we're going to be drawing random comments for some prizes. But we're all going to be giving stuff away that you have to be there in person. You have to be present to win. You're going to be picking a random number, and it's going to be fun. It's going to be real fun. But anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I always enjoy talking to y'all. Again, guys, I'm going to say it. I have the best subscribers by far. I think the knife community as a whole is just the best people I've ever dealt with in my life. It really is. But again, guys, thank y'all for tuning in. I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.